Hey, this is CP Digital Darkroom. I want to show you how to use custom fonts on Tumblr. I don't like this font, it's a little too wimpy. So I'm going to show you how to use Cufon to do it first. And first of all, I want to use the Lead Gothic font. It's kind of like Gotham, but it's free, and I know the EULA allows it to be embedded. So I'm going to go with this font because I really like it. So I'm going to download it to my computer and extract the zip file it came in. Once that gets done, I'll use the font file over on Cufon. I have a lot of windows open here, sorry. Alright, so right here, if you're starting off, you're going to want to download this file and save it. Since I already have it downloaded, I'm just going to cancel this, but you should save it. And go back to the site and choose your font file. So the one I'm going to be using is Lead Gothic, and when I download it, it comes with all the normal open type fonts. So we got condensed, italic, regular, bold, and it also comes with the web ready fonts. These have been made to be embeddable. So I'm going to choose the one I want. You can choose just regular post, bold, all that. You can choose whatever. And don't forget to hit the EULA. So when choosing the glyphs, you can do uppercase, lowercase, numerals, punctuation, but just stick to basic Latin and it should work with you. If you want punctuation marks, currency, hit basic Latin with the supplement. If you're using a commercial font and want to limit to only your website, in security, put your domain, your URL. Since it's going to be this tutorial here, I'm not going to restrict it to anything. You don't have to worry about any of that. Just make sure to acknowledge the terms and hit let's do this. And it will download the JavaScript file for that font to your computer. If you're going to do Tumblr, you can upload it here. They say only to upload fonts that go for Tumblr stuff, Tumblr themes. So I mean, it is, right? So choose your font, upload it. I'm going to put that URL in the description for you. So we get the URL here, and we go over to this font, to the theme we're going to customize. Man, I got this one open twice, my bad. Okay, so right here, I've already put in the script type and the JavaScript for both the Cufon and the font. See, I just replace it and it goes. You can put the script type anywhere in the head tag. It doesn't really matter, so you can just look for the header at the very top, put it in there. And this is what controls what elements of the website gets converted. So I'm adding the H2 and H3, which is going to convert the header tags. As you can tell, it added that one right there. And you can change that to basically anything you want. So with just that little bit of code, you change your font. You can use any font basically that you have on your computer. Another option you can do is Google Fonts. So I got this other theme of mine that has Google Fonts on it, and see I already have 2 of them put in there. And it's really simple to add a new one. You just go to the site and pick a font you like. Just for tutorial purposes, I'm going to choose a random font, and here's what I have right now. So I'm going to go to Google Font Site and just use this random font right here. Just quick use. You scroll down and you have the CSS link code. You just add it in your header anywhere. I'm just going to add it below the ones I already have right here. So just copy it in there. And what you want to do is edit your theme's CSS with the font family, which you can also get right there from the Google site. So you can scroll down into your theme CSS, which will probably look different on yours, and search for font family. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know. Each one controls a different aspect of your theme. So you can just copy and paste it in there, and it's going to change different parts of it. See, that's the affecting the H1 tag. There's not an H1 on the preview, so you can't really tell that it changed. So let me find one that you will be able to notice. So we're going to search for font family, and this is controlling the body, and that's the paragraph tag. So we update preview, and as you can tell, it changed my little description bar there because it used the body tag. So here's replacing the H2 tag and H3 tags. And as you can tell on the preview side, it updated. So that's H3, H2, H1. Your theme should have them. If it doesn't, you can add it. I will show you how to add it. It's not that hard. So here we're going to find another font we can use. Let's go ahead and use this cursive font here. So we're going to quick use it and get the link URL. So we're going to copy that over. And I'm just going to paste it right under my other ones. No big deal. And let me get the CSS thing. We're going to just change the body font. I want to change the body font, and we're going to replace this. Update. Oh, okay, the theme creator for this particular theme didn't put it on their body, put it on their paragraph, I suppose. So yeah, let me check. Yep, they put it on the paragraph, but the font's a little too small, and since it doesn't have a font size tag, I'm gonna add it myself in the CSS. I'm just gonna put in font dash size semicolon 2M. There we go. It's a little too small, so I'm gonna add it a little bit bigger, and now we got a little bigger font. Some themes you're just gonna have to play with, because some theme creators put it a certain way. Since I already have my thing saved, I don't want to add those ugly fonts. So I'm just gonna go back to what I got right now. So you have the Tumblr way to upload fonts, and you have Google. Two different options you have. Loads of possibilities. Cufon, you get to pick your own font, so it's your choice.